In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend an X.com or Twitter account without submitting an appeal, using the simplest method available. Now, just so you know, this only applies in cases where the account is locked or temporarily suspended, and X gives you the option to verify your identity. If your account has been permanently suspended, this process may not work. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. All right, let's get into it. The first step is to log into an X or Twitter account using a web browser on your computer or mobile browser. I recommend using the browser version because the verification prompts are usually easier to complete there than inside the app. So open Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Then go to x.com and sign in with your username, email, or phone number and password. As soon as you try to log in, X should show you a message saying that your account is locked or suspended. If it is a standard lock rather than a permanent suspension, X will usually give you a verification step instead of forcing you to submit an appeal. This is the key part of the process. Once that prompt appears, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. In most cases, X will ask you to verify your identity by confirming your email address or your phone number. You may receive a code sent to your email inbox or as a text message to your phone. Check your inbox or messages, copy the code, and enter it exactly as shown. If you are asked to confirm your email, make sure you use the email address connected to the account. If you are asked to confirm your phone number, make sure the number is active and able to receive messages. Once the code is entered correctly, complete the verification step and wait for X to process the request. After verification is successful, your account should be unlocked and you should be able to access X again normally. At that point, just log back in and confirm that everything is working. If the lock was only temporary, this usually restores access right away without needing to go through the appeal process. If you do not see a verification option and X only gives you an appeal form, then this method is not available for your account type. But if the identity verification prompt is there, this is the fastest way to get back into your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to unsuspend an X.com or Twitter account without an appeal by logging in through the browser and verifying your email or phone number. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step guides.